why don't you start by introducing yourself, your organization, and your role?
Yes, hi. My name is Manmohan. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Salcit Technologies. We are a startup that's an AI-based digital health startup. What we do is we give you an assessment of your lung health by an AI-based audiometric analysis of your cough sound. So you don't need any equipment, any special equipment appointment. You can just cough into your mobile phone and get a read on your lung health within 10 seconds.
Wow, that's great. So is this your first HITLAB summit, or have you been to them in the past?
This is the first HITLAB summit.
So what do you think of it so far? How are you
It's been
enjoying
great.
it?
A lot of learning, a lot of good sessions.
Absolutely.
Got to meet, also see a lot of connections you can make for potential investment, things like that. Yes.
Yeah. Are there any particular talks that you're excited to look at or to listen to in particular, or are you just here to kind of take the whole thing in, meet as many people as possible?
Yeah, definitely, yes, meet as many people possible. And in terms of sessions, specifically anything to do with AI and digital health, because obviously, we are in that space, and definitely. And then also any solutions that are bringing tech to solve problems in resource constrained settings. We're very passionate about that. Like how can digital health, how can AI-based solutions and digital health bring in health equity? So that's another thing that I'm focused on.
Yeah, absolutely. So going back to your company's focus, which is AI, how long have you been using AI in the health tech field, and when did you first found your company and come up with this idea?
Sure. I mean, the company started, the founder, Narayan Rao, who's not here currently, he's in India, but his journey started nearly 7 years ago.
Wow.
And I joined him about a few years back, and it's a journey. It's been a lot of hard work, initial boot camp, but now we are beginning to see some traction, getting the legal approvals, also getting a lot of physicians and healthcare providers interested in it.
Yeah, absolutely. So now that AI is becoming increasingly popular and there's a really good groundwork laid, how is that going to help move your company forward in the future?
Yeah, the big thing what we see is that there was skepticism earlier about AI, and especially, generally technology adoption. I see some of the other sectors like maybe finance or something adopting it faster. Health, it takes longer because obviously, there's many factors, patient risk, regulatory approvals, all of that. But AI now, I think it's come to the stage where, it's past the tipping point, and people are ready to accept it, including the healthcare committee, and they're seeing the benefits of it. So
That's great.
It is the time.
Yeah, absolutely. So you mentioned another goal of your company is to kind of improve accessibility.
Yes.
How have you guys been working towards that goal, and how do you think the improvement of AI and telehealth is going to push that forward in digital health as a whole?
Sure. So one of the things is a lot of places to get access to health, that's an issue, because good quality, screening or diagnostic tests is not something that is accessible, say in a remote rural area. Somebody's got to travel 200 miles to reach a place to get access. So instead, what we are trying to do is, can we bring at least the basic capability to where the patient is? And that's what telehealth comes in, that's what AI comes in and simplified, because you don't need costly equipment. That can come in a later stage, advanced. But so if you take a country like a continent like Africa, there's a lot of, or any of the LMIC countries, low middle income countries, there it is required. And as my partner loves to say, we are not trying to be super accurate, because it's important. We are not trying to bring bottled water, top quality water, but we are trying get people to, but get that water to where the patient is, rather than getting someone to travel some 100 miles to get top-notch bottled water.
Right, so not getting caught up in the gold standard and making sure everyone has access.
More access, more these things, screening, and with low resources. So you don't need any costly equipment. That's what AI can do. Like for example, and also where access to specialists is limited. Like for example, radiologists to analyze an X-ray. Similarly, and this space that we are in, it's analyzing audiometric sounds, cough and other audiometric analysis. That's totally new. And so you don't even have specialists necessary that can do that. So yeah, a lot of it is being able to get the equivalent of a specialist or of a specialized equipment being done on a basic device at the endpoint.
Yeah. Wow, that was so interesting and a great note to end on. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today, and
Yes.
best of luck with you and your company.
Thank you. Great conference. Enjoying being here.
Yeah, absolutely.